We cannot breathe underwater because our lungs can take in free oxygen from air but not the dissolved oxygen in water. And why is that? We take in air or inhale through nose or mouth. Breathing through nose is better as mucus and hairs in the nasal cavity can filter out lots of dirt from the air. Then the air enters trachea or windpipe through pharynx or throat. This pharynx has one more opening which leads to food pipe. Whenever air enters it, stomach sends it back as burp. Now, air passes through the windpipe, then the two bronchi, which forms many narrower branches called bronchioles. Small air sacs or alveoli receive the air and oxygen from air diffuses into blood through thin wall of blood capillaries during the diffusion process. Blood cannot exchange gases absorbed in water in this arrangement, hence we can't breathe in water. How do we breathe the air out? The diaphragm moves downward, creating space for the lungs to expand, decreasing the air pressure in lungs. When diaphragm moves up, putting pressure on the lungs, then the air from the lungs moves out of the body or gets exhaled. Taking the reversed path, that is bronchiole, bronchi, windpipe, pharynx, then nose or mouth. We do this process, that is inhaling and exhaling 12 to 20 times per minute.